Hey guys, just wanted to show you this neat old lawnmower I've had for a long time, probably 10 years. I picked this up at a yard sale years and years ago when I first started in the lawnmower business, and at the time I didn't really know anything about lawnmowers. It's a great time to start a lawnmower business, I guess, but this came up for sale and it looked very unique, so I bought it. Absolutely no idea what I was getting, and did a little research on it and found out that this was actually one of the very first rear bagging lawnmowers that Sears sold back in the day. I think this is from the 70s. It's a Craftsman Eager 1, 4 horsepower, 172cc, and I think this one's got the Tecumseh. Yeah, the little Tecumseh engine under there. Nothing spectacular, but I guess it did the job. This is actually in pretty good shape, guys, for being that old. The deck doesn't look cracked or anything. It's obviously not going to rust because that's an aluminum deck. So what the marketing factor on this machine? Oh, it's got a little damage right there. Somebody's screwed a piece of vinyl lino over front. Maybe that's supposed to be an air vent, I don't know. But the marketing gimmick on this was that you could actually put your garbage bag in that tub, I guess, like a plastic garbage bag, and the mower would blow the grass up that tube you see right there and into the bin, and you could just take this bin out and dump it. Kind of neat. I've never tried running this. Oh, there's the model number, guys. It's kind of scrubbed off, but I've never tried running this. Let's see a loose screw, and there's the oil dipper lying there. But you know, I hung on to this now for 11 years or so, and I always thought it'd be kind of fun to work on one day. And then I thought, hey, why don't we put it on the YouTube channel? Maybe someone will remember this from back in the day when they were a kid. Maybe their mom or dad had one, and they can leave a little comment in the storyline. This one's been sitting in the same spot for so long. There's a flat spot in the wheel right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit flat right there. Not the end of the world, but kind of makes a little hump when it rolls. See it right there. But so I figure one day I'm gonna do a little YouTube restoration on this baby. I think the guys out there would appreciate that. I've never seen another one of these in my life, and I don't know if you can get any parts for the body, like the deck or the bagging system. That engine, that Tecumseh engine, you could probably get all the parts for. This might even be a candidate to change the engine, but I mean, it's like an old car, guys. You don't want to mess with something that's sort of as it was when it was born. So who knows? Who knows what we're gonna do with this thing? Just figured I'd show it to you. Kind of a neat machine, piece of lawn mowing history. Leave a comment down below if you recognize it or have any information on it for me. I could probably look something up. I think I remember when I looked this up, I actually found an ad for it in a vintage copy of Popular Mechanics. If I can find that again, I'll link it at the end of the video so you guys can check it out. But anyway, just thought I'd show it to you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe because there's going to be some more videos about this thing coming up down the road.